What's up, guys? This is Smoothie Cast #1. Making health simple, making health easy, health made easy, and we're gonna do these short videos on making health easy based on what you have in your house. And so for me, I came under a little cold and I'm trying to get rid of it. And how do you get rid of it? Adding good things to your body. So for me, in order for my body to stay healthy and work its best, it's adding a lot of fruit, a lot of herbs, and hydration. And I also hydrate with salt, not just table salt, but I'll do pink Himalayan salt or sea salt. According to Dr. Gary Brecka, he claims Celtic salt is the best salt for your body when added to water. Give me a second while I get an extension cord. So, on Smoothie Cast #1, Health Made Easy. Today's video, I'm going to share with you some simple juicing. And you can use a juicer, which I have the Well juicer from Well. I also have this big commercial one from Good Nature that I rarely use, but this will go into my soon-to-be smoothie truck. As for today, we're going to juice grapefruits and oranges. And I'm going to flush out this little coat I got, which will help with my runny nose, slight sore throat, a lot of sneezing, and a fever every now and then. Oh, and headaches. But let's start off by adding grapefruit, and we're just going to put this whole thing in with oranges, close that, and we're going to get it going. Now, orange is full of vitamin C, grapefruit's full of vitamin C, they're full of folate and potassium. The best benefits about these guys, is that it reduces several risk factors for heart disease, cancer, and diabetes, along with helping with the common cold and flu. It helps reduce high blood pressure if you have high blood pressure, elevated cholesterol, and both of these have anti-inflammatory properties. The grapefruit probably has the most magnesium, which is very important for your body. We're going to add some more. Keep that going. Oh, don't forget, I also have ginger. Ginger, great anti-inflammatory root, I should say. It's a root. And ginger can help relieve nausea, stomach problems, helps with gut health, very anti-inflammatory properties, helps relieve pain for you women, helps during a menstrual cycle. Studies have said that if you take some ginger the first 3 days of your menstrual cycle, it'll help relieve with some pain. What else? Ginger is also good boosting your immunity. The antimicrobial and antifungal properties that it has. It aids in blood circulation for the skin and protects against UV rays. And, as a matter of fact, the oranges and grapefruit also do the same, protecting against UV rays. All of this is great skin health, gut health, joint health, heart health, and has anti-cancer properties. So all in all all I went, so you can easily go to the store and buy grapefruit, oranges, and ginger, and you got yourself a highly nutrient dense super juice. Right here. Boom. Down goes Frazier. So this is Smoothie Cast number 1. Follow, subscribe, like this video if you want to see more. More health tips, easy tips, homemade tips. I am the real Smoothie King.